Subtracting up to 200. We have the problem 148 minus something equals 87. So how can we solve this problem? Well, in order to find out the number, we will subtract 148 minus 87. So we are going to solve this in the easiest way possible. So let's write out 148 minus 87. So let's round up 87 to 100. So in this case, we must add 13 to the 87. And if you add 13 to the 87, you must add 13 to the 148. Okay, so now we have 161 minus 100. And we know that equals 61. Okay, so we know that 148 minus 61 equals 87. Now let's solve this in a different way. Okay, let's take the 87 again and add 13, so it equals 100, an easy number to work with. Okay, now we need to add 100 plus 48, and that equals 148. So now all we have to do is add these pink numbers here. And we know that 13 plus 48 equals 61 as well. And we can check our problem. So 61 plus 87 does equal 148. Okay, let's try another problem. 121 minus something is 43. So let's first solve this through subtraction. So 121 minus 43. Now, let's round up the 121 to the closest even number. So that would be 120. So we have to minus 1 to both of them. So now we have 120 minus 42. And that would equal 78. But how do I know this so quickly? Well, you can break up the 42 into 20 and 22, and then subtract it that way. So that would also equal 78. Okay, let's try to solve this in another way. So 43 plus 7 will equal 50. So that's a nicer number to work with. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, so we have 50. And now we have 50 plus 50 equals, as you know, 100. And now 100 plus the 21 equals 121. So now we just have to add these blue numbers here. So 7 plus 50 plus 21 equals 78. And again, let's check our problem. So we'll add the 43 plus 78. Right? And that does equal 121. Alright, last problem. 179 minus something equals 85. So again, let's first start off through subtracting the 179 from the 85. Now, we can round up the 179 to 180, and that makes it simpler. So we have to add a 1 to that, and a 1 to the 85. So now we have 180 minus 86. And so, let's break up the 86 to make it simpler. So we have an 80 and a 6. So we know that would equal to 94. Okay, so we know 179 minus 94 equals 85. So let's solve it another way. So 85 plus 15 equals 100. And now we have 100 plus 79 equals 179. And now we just add up the blue numbers to make sure. So, and 15 plus 79 equals 94. Okay, and let's check this problem to be sure. So 94 plus 85 does equal 179. Great work, and good luck solving your next math problems.